In fact, my mom and I speak about it right now because she said, my God, was I a horrible mother? Because right now I'm so conscious of my daughter's screen time. Not like she has any major screen time at all. She's not even, looked at the iPad. But like, even if she's watching a song on the television and stuff, I'm like, oh, we should limit the time. And my mother's like, was I a horrible mother? Because we just let you be in front of the TV because like that's what seemed normal at that time. So I was like, no, you weren't horrible. It was a new phenomenon at that time, perhaps. So, but I'm grateful that she didn't stop me from being in front of the television, because a lot of my dreaming and imagining and sort of getting lost in the world started from there. So I love dreaming, and that's my most fondest memory growing up, whether it was in my classroom, whether it was in front of the television, whether it was like on my way to school, on my way to something, just getting lost in my own thoughts, imagining being in front of the camera one day. Not like I really knew the intricacies of being an actor or, the layers behind cinema and the shaping of cinema. In fact, one thing I say very candidly is that my cinematic knowledge is not as strong. I have not seen every movie in the book. I don't know every director. I don't know all I'm very popcorn-like with my entertainment. Like, oh, good movie, let's watch it, let's enjoy it,
Yeah.
I do have specific actors that I'm very fond of, but I don't have all the answers if you talk about like yesteryear actors and filmmakers or musicians or anything like that. I don't have all the answers. And growing up also, it's not like I was bookish about it. I didn't study it. I just experienced it through my imagination and like just enthusiasm to be entertained.
Yeah.
So that was a lot of my childhood. And of course, memories with my friends. And that's a very big part of who I am.
Yeah.
Endlessly laughing with my friends, doing random things. Till now, we laugh about the same things that we laughed about, 15 years ago. So that's really basically what my childhood was all about. You can't change the person's grain, So my grain is to just like enjoy what I call like maza. I just want to have fun. I grew up watching Govinda and Karishma Kapoor dance. So I remember that as a very strong memory in my brain, is that they kept dancing in different spots, sometimes in a garden, sometimes on the road, sometimes on, in the Swiss Alps, and sometimes, they kept changing their clothes. So I was like, why is anybody stopping them from changing their clothes? Like, or why is anybody stopping them from stopping the traffic and dancing?